Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve column internal question. Write an algorithm flowchart for finding the square root of 12 using a Newton-Raphson method. So let's solve the question for square root of 12. So we write x square minus 12 is equal to 0, and we write f of x is equal to x square minus 12, and we find the f dash of x is equal to 2x, and we will find the h value. H is equal to f of x upon f dash of x is equal to f of we put the f of x value. F of x value is equal to x square minus 12 upon f dash of x is equal to 2x. Okay, so the h value is x square minus 12 upon 2 into x. So we write an algorithm for finding the square root of 12 using a Newton-Raphson method. So here we write read x0, x epsilon, delta and end. So x0 here x0 is the initial guess value, and epsilon is a prescribed relative error, and n is the maximum number of iteration, and delta is a prescribed lower bound of f dash. Okay, so here we write a for loop I is equal to 0 to n in step of 1 do, and f of 0 is equal to f of x0, and f dash 0 is equal to f dash of x0. So in the next step we put the if condition. If f dash of 0 less than equal to delta, then we go to 11th step and write a slope is too small, and we print the value x0 f0 f dash 0 and I, and we stop the algorithm. Okay, then if f dash 0 is not less than to delta, so here we write here we find the x1 value. We put the x1 in x0 minus f of 0 upon f dash of 0. This formula, this x1 is a formula of the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, in the next step we write a if condition. F1 minus x0, x1 minus x0 divided by x1. If this value is less than to epsilon, then go to the 13th step. We write a convergence solution x1 and print the x1, f of x1 and I, and stop the algorithm. Okay, then if this value x1 minus x0 upon x1 is not less than to epsilon, so we put the x1 value in x0 and end of the for loop. And in the next step we write this condition are not the true, so we write does not convergence in an iteration, and print the f0 and f dash of 0 and x0 and x1 and stop the algorithm. Okay, so this is the algorithm for the Newton-Raphson method. Okay guys, thank you for my watching channel.